If you want to enable or disable keyboard sounds on your OnePlus 13 5G, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down right to our system and update section. In our system and update section, choose your keyboard and input method. Then we're gonna choose our current keyboard, our Gboard. Press manage keyboards, press on your Gboard, press on your preferences, and here find your sound on key press. So to enable the sound, tap on it, press volume on key press, and you can set up a volume, right? If you want to turn off your sound, tap on the switch again, and now the sound will be off. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.